ఒకటి మార్నింగ్ షిఫ్ట్ ఒకటి హూ క్రియేటెడ్ హిస్టరీ బై బికమింగ్ ది ఫస్ట్ గర్ల్ స్టూడెంట్ ఆఫ్ ది ఇండియన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ ఆఫ్ టెక్నాలజీ మద్రాస్ ఐఐటిఎం టు విన్ ది ప్రెసిడెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియన్ ప్రైజ్ 2019. కవితా గోపాల్ 2 ఇన్ విచ్ సిటీ ఇస్ ది చార్మినార్ సిచ్యువేటెడ్ హైదరాబాద్ 3 ఇన్ విచ్ ఇయర్ గాంధీజీ బిగాన్ ఏ డెఫైయంట్ మార్చ్ టు ది సీ టు ప్రొటెస్ట్ అగేన్స్ట్ ది బ్రిటిష్ మొనోపలీ ఆన్ సాల్ట్ 1934 హూ ఇస్ కన్సిడర్డ్ టు బి ది ఫాదర్ ఆఫ్ మోడర్న్ కంప్యూటర్స్ Alan Turing 5 The district and session judge works directly under the control of the High Court of the State 6 Who was the runner-up in the men's singles was 2020 Dominic Thiem 7 Which country in the world has the highest natural gas reserves? Russia 8 Which of the following is not an agenda for sustainable development 2030? 1. Reduce the total population of the world by 1/3 road 2. End poverty in all its forms everywhere 3. Reduce inequality within and among nations 4. Achieve food security by 2030. Reduce the total population of the world by 1/3 road 9. The full form of LPG is liquefied petroleum gas 10. Which book authored by Sean Pierre Harrison is based on the biography of Kalpana Chawla? The Age of Time 11 Who was the first Indian woman president of the Indian National Congress? Sarojini Naidu 12 The first Lopal bill was introduced in the parliament in 1968 _ is the birthplace of Lord Mahavira in early 4th century BC. Vishali 14 _ in polluted air causes hay fever. Polan 15 The directive principles of the state policy are mentioned in which part of the Constitution of India? Part 4 16 What form of art is used to decorate the floor in front of the house? Column 17 Which one is the Asia's first stock exchange? Bombay Stock Exchange Black Book of General Awareness 61. Highlight 20 18 Internet was started in India on 15th August 1995 19 What is correct about the Khilaf movement in India? It was a movement in support of the Turkish Sultan 20 Which city is popularly called the Detroit of Asia and the automobile capital of India? Chennai 21 _ is a renewable energy resource. Singus 22 Penicillium is an _ Fungi 23 World Red Cross Day is celebrated on 8 May 24 If untreated, HIV can lead to __________. AIDS 25 The pre-monsoon showers which are a common phenomenon in Kerala and the coastal areas of Karnataka are locally known as ____________. Mango showers 26 Who is the first women Indian police service officer to reach the South Pole? Apana Kumar 27 In which year was the World Happiness Report published for the first time? 2012 The ephedra plant is grouped under Gymnosperm 29 A light year is a unit of ___________ distance 30 _ vitamin is rich in yeast. Vitamin B 31 The Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place on ___________. 13th April 1919 In India, impeachment process is not applicable to __________ for removal from office. The Prime Minister 33 Diffu Pass is situated in Arunachal Himalayas 34 Who inspired the Young Bengal movement? Henry Vivan de Rossio 35 The Pune Pact was signed between M.K. Gandhi and B.R. Ambedkar 36 Which is India's largest oil company? Indian Oil Corporation Limited 37 In India, national income is computed by Central Statistical Organization 38 The first nuclear bomb experiment test in India was carried out in the year 1974 39 3 of the 4 publications listed are alike in some manner. Select the odd one out. Outlook 40 The Dilwara temple is situated at ____________. Motabu sit -54 01 Fib 2021 evening shift 1 Who is known as the Grand Old Man of India, Dadabhai Nauroji Rendu, which rural housing scheme by the Government of India is restructured into Pradhan Mantri Gramin Awas Yojana, Indira Awas Yojana 3, which element is essential for the synthesis of thyroxine, iodine 4 as of 2020. According to the Election Commission of India, the minimum voting age in India is 18 years. Which book was written by Vishnu Sharma. Panchtantra 6 as per NASA, how much of Earth's land surface is covered by forests? 30%. A solar system is a part of which galaxy? Milky Way 8. In Microsoft Excel, a workbook is a collection of worksheets 9. Who was the Nawab of Bengal during the Battle of Plassey? Sirajud-Dowla 10. The best method of dispose of biological wastes from hospitals is incineration 11. With underscore 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 is the Green Revolution related. Food and grain production 12 underscore 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 in the air turns silver articles black when exposed to air. Sulfur 13. Who had called for the direct action day? Muhammad Ali Jinnah 14. Who has coined the term ecology? Ernst Haeckel 15. Which national highway passing through the Kaziranga National Park is imposing key threat for the wildlife? In each 37 16 World Environment Day is annually celebrated on underscore 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 5th June 17. The International Day of Light is observed on 16th May 18. Which king of the Gupta Empire was a good veena player? Samudragupta 19. Who was the first Indian to travel to space? Rakesh Sharma 20. In which year did the Government of India initiate the National Program of Nutritional Support to Primary Education in PNPEC 1995? 21. What is the full form of EVM? Electronic voting machine. Black Book of General Awareness 62. Highlight 18. Highlight 22. Where is the headquarters of UNESCO? Paris 23. When was the Pune Pact signed? 1932. 24. Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation, Amrut, is related with basic Siva communities 25. How many neutrons are present in proteum? 0 26. As per Sophia 2020 data of how the largest producer of fish in the world is China 27. Sachin Tendulkar scored his 100th international cricket century against which team? Bangladesh 28. In a computer, a menu contains a list of commands 29. Asiatic Society of Bengal was established in the year 1784. 30 as of November 2020. Who was the vice chairperson of Niti Aayog? Rajiv Kumar 31. Who is called the father of local self-government in India? Lord Ripon 32. The telephone was invented in 1876. 33. Where is Raisina Hill? It is situated in the same location as Rashtrapati Bhavan. 34. The Quit India movement started in Bombay. 35. A lie detector apparatus is also known as a polygraph. 36. On which date is India likely experience the shortest day of the year? 22. December 37. Who received India's highest civilian award? Bharat Ratna. 24. December 2014. Madan Mohan Malviya 38. Rabindranath Tagore gave up his knighthood because of the Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. 39. 1 degree of latitude is equal to underscore 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 come approximately 111 Who built the Adhai Din Ka Chopara at Ajmer, Kutubuddin Aibak sit -55 02 Feb 2021 morning shift 1 which article of